Assalamualaikum. So welcome back everyone from your Hari Raya holiday. Hope everything is well. I need you guys to take care of yourself. It seems like the COVID-19 variant of Delta is rapidly moving so fast. So be careful. Try to stay at home and only go out when you need to go out. So take care. Hope everybody is safe at home. Alright, so today we are in week 24. I just want you guys to do a bit of research of a place, but before that, let's look at page 82. Try to read this one. I just want you guys to read seeing the site in London for the language. So that you will get used, you will choose what words that you can use for your writing later on. So if you look at number 2, the word a bit and really. A bit mean a little, while really can become very. This adjective is used usually in an informal writing. So when you write email to your friend, when you write a blog post, it can be an informal writing, and you can use these two words. If you write a story as well, you can use really and a bit. But remember, repeating the same stuff over and over again is not good also. Alright, so if you change word to a bit, it means a little. And if you change a word to really, it become very. So your work today is for you to imagine you are on a holiday. Alright, you are on holiday, where you are and how you feel. I don't want you to write anything in Malaysia. I know this past 2 years you haven't been much to any places. So I want you guys to do research of a place outside Malaysia. It can be anywhere. So you try to research of a place outside of Malaysia that you want to go. So try to imagine. I want you guys to imagine. You don't have to go there. You need to find somewhere that you want to go. So where you are and how you feel, what you have already done there. So look at things that you can do there, and then what are you doing now and what you haven't done yet. So you need to write 2 short paragraphs. Check your writing, and then check you need to use present perfect or other verb tenses. Use really and a bit. Alright, so I think that's all for today. You can use languages from here. I don't want anyone of you to use London. Try to find somewhere else. Okay, so that's it. Just take your time to do the work. Thank you very much, everyone.